Test natin tong WE 5.1K. Out natin siya ngayong umaga. So naka metal slide siya, and then metal yung lower frame with under rail for accessory attachment, and then threaded yung outer barrel. So 45 ACP with magazine 26 rounds. Safety function ito. And then firing mode is semi-auto. Price is ngayon naka-sale siya. So ang price niya ngayon is 5,400. Pero ang original price niya is 6,000. So naka-less 600. Okay, so test natin. Check natin kung ilang FPS out of the box. So yung nakikita nyo basa-basa guys, ano lang yan silicone. Okay, test natin. Firing 353. For details, PM lang kayo sa page natin, Mavs Hobby Shop.